Hopefully. Hope you enjoy the transformation. No, it's no good. One more time. And thanks for thanks for watching and Hi guys, I'm Dumi. Here is my friend Jim.
Hi guys.
We'll work together today for this nice pressure washing roof. We're using steam cleaning, turbo nozzle. Stay here and watch this video.
Please like and subscribe, guys.
Subscribe and donate some money in my account. Good morning, muchachas.
Jim, how do you think the job's going? Is the back bit's done? Happy with it?
It's going well. Dimitri's flying through it up there using the steam and pressure washing to get through the moss good and quick. And with that, as you can see, it's brought it up very well.
Big difference between
between the neighbours one and our one that we're doing today. Like you can see the amount of moss that came off the roof there. That was on the two roofs. You can see how clear it is. You can see how fresh looking it is with the colours of the tiles. And it's just looking good. And Dimitri's up there looking special.
He's controlling that nozzle well, isn't he?
Yeah. He's everything under control up there, so he does. So now he's just manoeuvring the cherry picker into position to go working on the side of the roof there. So it'll be the side next and then onto the front.
Nice. Okay.
while Dimitri's at that, I'm up here cleaning up the moss. As you can see, there's 2 bags of moss there, and there's, I say, another 2-3 bags of moss here that is left to be bagged and taken down. So that has just came off the back of the roof there, and with that, that's just the rough clean-up. We'll be giving a more in-depth deep clean on this as well. I am then going around to the side of the house there, which will probably, by the looks of it, be another 3 to 4 bags of moss as well. So you can see literally how much is there and the weight that would have been on your roof beforehand, before we cleaned the roof. So with that, guys, I'm going to get back to it. Chat to you later.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy our transformation.
Please like and subscribe, guys. Ciao.
Ciao bella!